Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed some problems in handshake 2. Today, we are going to discuss 13th problem. The tangents at P and Q to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax meet at T, then ST equal to that. Now, take the diagram. This is S and there is a point P on parabola and there is a point Q on parabola Q. Now this is T. Now the tangent of P and Q, the general equation of the tangent, we know that the general equation of the tangent yt equal to x plus 8 square. Yt equal to x plus 8 square. Now what is the P value here? at1 square comma 2at1. Here Q means at2 square comma 2at2. Now the tangent yt1 equal to x plus at square. Now this is another tangent yt2 equal to x plus at2 square. at2 square. Now the point of intersection of the two tangent, here T. Now the point of intersection, T. The point of intersection T. Now here one of the tangent T yt1 equal to x plus at1 square. This is equation 1. And yt2 equal to x plus at2 square. This is equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Now yt1 equal to x plus at1 square, yt2 equal to x plus at2 square. Now subtract. This is plus x minus x, both are cancelled, and y equal to t1 minus t2. Now a common, t1 square comma t2 square. t1 square minus t2 square. Now so we need y equal to a square minus b square minus a square minus b square means t1 plus t2 t1 minus t2. By the transposition t1 minus t2, both are cancelled. Now y equal to a into t1 plus t2. Now the point of intersection T equal to x comma y. By substituting y value in any one equation, you can get x value. Now write up to here. Substitute in equation 1. Y value. Substitute y value in equation 1. Y means a. T1 plus T2 into T1. equal to x plus at1 square. Now by the multiplication at1 square plus at1 t2 equal to x plus at1 square plus 81 square here plus 81 square, both are cancelled. Now x equal to at1 t2, at1 t2. Here we got y equal to a t1 plus t2 and x equal to a t1 t2. So the point of intersection t x comma y, the point of intersection t x comma y equal to, now complete up to x equal to a t1 t2. Now the point of intersection t x comma y equal to x value a t1 t2 and y value a into t1 plus t2. So this is the point of intersection. Now, so we have to calculate ST value, the difference of ST. So the distance formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know that root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know that. Now here write s equal to a comma 0. We know that t equal to a t1 t2 comma a into t1 plus t2. Now st equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square. x2, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square means a t1 t2 minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That means a into t1 plus t2 minus 0 whole square. Now squaring on both sides by eliminating the root. Here a square, a common, a square into t1 plus t2, a square, t1 t2 minus 1. Why? Because so by taking a as a common, a square, t1 t2 minus 1 whole square plus a square t1 plus t2 whole square. Now common a square. Now t1 t2 minus 1 whole square plus t1 plus t2 whole square. Okay, look at the blackboard. So root of xt equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So squaring on both sides by eliminating root st square. So here a common a square, here a square. So common a square, t1 t2 minus 1 a common because of taking by a as a common, 1 square. A square t1 plus t2 whole square, individual squares here. Now a square, here t1 square t2 square plus 2ab 2 t1 t2 b whole square. T1 square T2 square minus 2 T1 T2 plus 1 plus T square T1 square plus T2 square plus 2 T1 T2. Look at minus 2 T1 T2 plus 2 T1 T2, both are cancelled, and a square. Okay, 1 plus T1 square, keep it remains 1 plus T square. Now observe T1 square T2 square, here T2 square. From that, from two terms, take as T2 as a common number. 1 plus T1 square, right, as it is, bracket, keep in bracket, plus take out T1 square T2 square plus T2 square. From that, T2 square as a common term, here T1 square plus 1. Now a square, 1 plus T1 square, T1 square plus 1 means 1 plus T1 square. So take out the common term, 1 plus T1 square, 1 plus T2 square by the common. Now 1 plus T2 square, 1 plus T2 square, it is the common term. So common here 1 into 1 into 1 plus T2 square. So now ST equal to ST square equal to A into, this is A square na, A into 1 plus T1 square into A into 1 plus T2 square. Now by multiplying A plus A T1 square, A plus A T2 square, okay, ST square equal to ST square equal. Now ST square equal to, so A plus AT1 square means SP. So I will give clarification after the completion of the problem. A plus AT2 square means SQ. Now ST equal to root of SP into SQ. SP into SQ. Now observe once again, the tangents at P and Q to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax meet at T, then ST equal to, we got root of SP into SQ. So we know that the general equation of the tangent yt equal to x plus at square. So here two tangents PT and QT. So the point of intersection of two tangents, yes, the point of intersection T x comma y equal to a t1 t2 comma a t1 plus t2. So after the simplification, now we have to calculate ST. ST means the distance between S and D. S means focus of the parabola. T means the point of intersection of the two tangents PT and QT. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now after the simplification, a square, the remaining t1 plus t1 t2 minus 1 whole square plus here individual squaring a square t1 plus t2. Now common out a square t1 t2 minus 1 whole square plus t1 plus t2 whole square. Now a square t1 t2 minus 1 whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square, t1 square t2 square minus 2t1 t2 plus 1. Now a plus b whole square again, t1 square plus t2 square plus 2t1 t2 minus 2t1 t2 plus 2t1 t2, both are cancelled. The remaining 1 plus t1 square, it remains same. out of t1 square, t2 square plus t2 square. So we have to take as common one t2 square. After t2 square taken as a common, t1 square plus 1. Again that we have to observe 1 plus t1 square, 1 plus t1 square is the common term. After the taking as a common, 1 plus t1 square into 1 into 1. So 1 plus t1 square. Now t square equal to, here a square na, a into 1 plus t1 square into a into 1 plus t2 square. st square equal to a into 1 a plus a t1 square, a into 1 a plus a t2 square. Now a plus a t1 square means sp, a plus a t2 square means sp. So I will give the clarification why a plus a t1 square becomes sp. Now then st equal to root of sp in sp, root of sp into s cube. Sp means, we know that S means a comma 0, P means at1 square comma 2a t1. So Sp means root of, look at, S means a comma 0, P means at1 square comma 2at1. Now x2 minus x1 whole square means at1 minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 2at1 minus 0 whole square. Now a square t1 square minus 2a square t1 plus a square plus a minus b whole square, a square t1 square minus 2ab, 2 into a t1 a, 2a square t1 plus a square. Now 4a square t1 square. Again root of a square t1 square minus 2a square t1 plus 4a square t1 becomes plus 2a square t1 plus a square. It becomes a t1 plus a whole square. This is, it looks like a square t1 square plus 2a square t1 plus a square. It becomes a t1 plus a whole square, a plus b whole square. A square means a square t1 square, 2a means 2a square t1 plus a square. So square and root both are cancelled. A t1 plus a. That's why a plus a1. What is sp equal to? Sp equal to a t1 plus a. A plus a1. Sorry. Yes. P means 81 square 81 square whole square so 81 square whole square so 80 square so P means 80 square comma 281 281 so 81 square plus a whole square so SP equal to 81 square plus a. So similarly, SQ equal to a T2 square plus a. Similar SP means 81 square plus a. SQ equal to a T2 square plus a. So that's why a plus 81 square means SP. A plus 82 square means SQ. Two a t square, 2a square t square plus 4a square t square. So 2a square t1 square. It means we can write 81 square whole square. 81 square whole square. Okay. A square t1 square whole square means a t1 square whole square plus 2a square t1 square plus a square. Why? Because minus 2a square t1 square plus 4a square t1 square becomes plus 2a square t1 square. So it is a t1 square plus a whole square. So square root both are cancelled. A t1 square plus a. SP equal to a t1 square plus a. Similarly, SP equal to a t2 square plus a. So that's why ST square equal to SP into SQ. Then ST equal to root of SP into SQ.